Hi, this is Karthik. In this video, I will explain you how to make an Excel sheet that calculate profit percentage. That is, if you have an item and you know the price and you know the percentage of profit you are getting by selling that. So now you want to calculate the total profit. So suppose you have sold 100 items per day of that specific item. So you want to calculate the profit from that percentage, So this is how we will do it. So I have a Excel sheet here. In this we have uh, 6. Okay, 6 columns are there. First one is item name, next one is the price, that is selling price, then the profit percentage you are getting by selling that item for a single item. Okay, and the quantity, that is amount of items, quantity you sold of that particular item. Then the making cost. Okay, this don't need to enter here because it will calculate automatically. Next is the profit of the total sales. Okay, now here I have an item, that is item 1. Okay, and its selling price is around 35 rupees, and my profit percentage for this is 60%, and the quantity I sold per day is around 80. Then making cost, it will calculate automatically. Then we need to get the profit of total sales, right? So this column is the profit, shows the profit, and what we will do, we will make it come to left. Okay, so next thing is total sales value. So how much total amount you have sold for this item. Okay, next is, so now we will add the formula here. So in Excel, for entering the formula, what you have to do is you have to select the tab where you want to show the, you want to apply the formula. Just click on that cell, then on the top here you just press equal to. So equal to means we are adding a formula. So Excel knows that, will know that we are adding a formula. So now we will see the formula for calculating the profit percentage, profit from the percentage. Okay, so here I have added the profit here in the sticky notes. So the profit here is, formula here is the selling price into profit in percentage divided by 100 into quantity sold. So this is the formula for calculating the profit from the percentage. And now we will apply this formula in our Excel sheet. So for that we have to go to the profit column, and this is the profit column, then this is the F3 cell. You can see the cell name here. Okay, what is the, or which cell we are there, it will show here. So this is F3 cell. In F3 cell we want to show the profit after calculating. So the formula is, so we have to equal to, then I open a bracket because our formula is like that. Then now we want to add the selling price, okay, into profit in percentage divided by 100, then close the bracket, into quantity, then press enter. So now 1680 is the profit we got here. Okay, now here what is it is there, total sales. So we want to show the total amount we got after selling the 80 items of this item 1. So what we have to do is, now we have to again press equal to. After selecting the cell we have to press is equal to, then open the, there is no need to open the bracket here actually. So total sales is nothing but selling price into quantity, then press enter. So this is the total sales. Now we have to get the making cost. For that we have to, what we have to do is we have to subtract this profit from the total sales. So is equal to total sales minus profit, then press enter. So now we got the making cost here. So now what we have to do is, now we will create few more items like this, like item 2 and so on. So I will just fast forward this one from now. So now I want to calculate the same, the making cost, profit and total sales for all these items. So what I have to do now, is there any need to manually enter all these formulas again? No. What I have to do is, you select the cell where our formula is added and do one thing. First we will go to profit and go to move to the cursor to the corner right, okay, corner bottom right. You will see the plus here. Just drag until which row you want to apply this and leave it. So you can see automatically it calculated this one. So now what we have to do is, we have to do the same for total sales also. Now we want to do the same thing for making cost also. So the formula will automatically apply to the all rows in that particular column. Okay, now what we will do, we will add a total like this, total text here, and we want to calculate all these things and show in this. So what we have to do is, we have to go to the home, select all these things. Otherwise we will do one thing, we will add total in this cell, total in this we will remove it. Okay, so we want to get the total quantities, all items quantities we have sold in this particular timeline. So select this one, go to home, then select auto sum. So now you can see it will automatically show the total sum of these values. We will do the same for making cost, auto sum, then we will do the same thing for profit, then we will do the same thing for okay. Now we will use some styling for this. Just select all these things, this row here, then go to home, then select appropriate which one is better for you. Then so this is the total sales value, so I will make it blue color. This is the profit, so I will make it green color, and this one is the making cost, so I will make it a little bit of not bad actually, orange color. Okay, next this is a total items sale, total quantity of the items sold. So again we'll go to home and we'll choose some other. Okay, like this. So now what we will get is, it will, so for the user who are seeing this Excel sheet, they will have focus on these things, so that it will be easy for them. We can also mention like this, total sales, total sales, total profit, total making cost. Okay, so now what we will do is, in these cells So in this we will again press is equal to, and this is total sales, so I will select this one and press enter. So this value will automatically come here. Now again for total profit, press equal to, select the cell and press enter. Next is total cost, so here is equal to and select this one, then press enter. So now we got our total sales. So this is a final complete report. So we will also add some color for this. Okay, so I hope you like this my video and this trick about how to make a profit percentage calculator in Excel. And before finishing this video, I want to show you. So this is the real time. Okay, real time means, so if you next week, suppose this is for a day, if you want to calculate for the next day, you just alter this value. So next day you have entered, you have sold 100 items for this, change 100 and press enter. So all the values will be updated. Okay, so this one is 200 and this one is 0 and this one is 0, like this. So all the values will automatically calculated and updated in the real time when you change the quantity, price or profit. Everything will be. So if I change the profit, for suppose purchasing cost, there is some raw material cost has increased, so you can change this to 50% of profit, press enter, that's it, it will be calculated. If you change the price, if you reduce the price or increase the price, suppose I have sold it for 45, then press enter, all the calculations will be updated and done automatically. I hope you understood and liked my video. And also if you want to try this Excel sheet, I am going to provide you a download link in the description of this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos. Thank you for watching, and this is Karthik signing off.